A very good morning to all my lovely students. Welcome to the online classes of Monbrisha School. I am Miss Ankita, your social science teacher for class 7. So today I will be doing a very new topic, that is volcano. So please open your social science book and be ready. Now let us start with the topic volcanoes. Now you must be thinking that what is a volcano, right? See this image. This is a volcano. What is a volcano? It is an opening in the crust of the earth through which materials from the interior of the earth is ejected onto the surface. Okay? Volcano, there is an opening on the crust. Okay? In the crust of the earth. Crust, you all know, the uppermost layer of the earth. There is an opening. Okay? Through which some materials from the interior of the earth is ejected. We will be discussing what are these materials. Okay? A cloud like ash, steam and rock fragments are hurled into the air. It is thrown out. It is ejected. Okay? Now this opening which you are seeing in this diagram of volcano, it is called a vent. Okay? This is a vent. V-E-N-T. It is the opening of the volcano. Okay, see, a volcano is an opening in the crust of the earth through which materials from the interior of the earth is ejected onto the surface. Okay, please mark this. This is the definition for volcano. Now, the narrow opening of a volcano is called a vent. Okay, what is a vent? It is a narrow opening of a volcano. Okay. The upper part of the vent is often a cap or a saucer shaped. Okay, it is like a cap, or you can say it is like a saucer shaped. Okay, depression called the crater of the volcano. It is called the crater of the volcano, that is the opening of the volcano. Sometimes the material from the interior of the earth is ejected to the surface through a long crack like opening. Sometimes there is a crack between a volcano. Okay, long crack happens between the volcano and all the materials from the interior of the earth is ejected out. Okay, now such a volcano is called a fissure volcano. Okay, the volcano, when the material is ejected to the surface of the earth from the interior part of the earth through a long crack, not from the vent, not from the opening of the volcano, but when the volcano, it cracks from the middle, there is a long crack like opening, and from there when the material from the interior of the earth is ejected, it is called fissure volcano. Okay, now a material ejected through a volcano can be in the form of solid rock or cinder, molten rock material or magma. Okay? It can be a solid rock or a molten rock. That means it can be in a form of solid or in liquid. A solid material ejected through volcanic activities may be in the form of powder or ashes, or in a form of small pebbles, that is small stones, or large boulders. Okay? Now, it can be in a form of a powder, or it can be an ash-like thing, okay, rock, which we say, and it can also be in a form of small pebbles, that is stones, okay. Beside the solid and liquid rock material, volcanoes spew out a large amount of gases. Now, volcano, besides ejecting solid and liquid rock material, it also spew out a large amount of gases. Different types of gases are also ejected. The rock material ejected during volcanic activity deposited on the surface of the earth is called lava. Lava, okay? Any rock material, when it is ejected during the volcanic activity, it is deposited on the surface of the earth, directly on the surface of the earth, and it is called lava. And when this lava and magma, when it solidifies, it forms the igneous rock, which starts with the, from which we start the rock cycle, right? We have discussed this. Okay, now in the very next video, I will be starting with the earthquakes. Okay, till then you will be reading this volcano part and mark anything which you have not understood. Then when the school will open, then we will discuss. Okay, thank you.